Hi everybody, my name is Adam. I'm from Ireland, so I'm probably one of the few foreigners doing this course. Um, I'm currently working and teaching in South Korea, and I've been here for 4.5 years. So I teach English to elementary school students. Um, some of my hobbies are I like painting and drawing, things like that. So I like making and painting things. I probably should be an art teacher instead of an English teacher, but that's how it works. Um, Professional goals wise, I'm working on this master's so I can make my way to work in a university teaching English instead of elementary schools. Uh, that's kind of the short and long term plan, at least for a while. Um, I don't know much about data analysis, so I'm hoping that I can learn how to do it, how to effectively use it for my classes. They have not really had much chance to use much data analysis, so I'm hoping this course will help me with it. Um, I'm looking forward to reading everyone's posts in the future, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks.